Hello everyone, welcome back to Abhyaas LawPrep. So MNLU Sambhajinagar have released its official notification of vacant seats. For your details, program, it is for both BALLB and BBLLB. The number of seats, it is 18 for BALLB and 28 for BBLLB. Last date to apply is 16th of June before 5 p.m. Please note it down. And results will be declared by June 20th, 5 p.m. So the application fee for unreserved category and other category apart from SC and ST is 1000 rupees, and for SC ST categories it is 500 rupees. This is your seat matrix, that is the list of vacant seats they have been released. For general category it is 7 seats, whereas coming to these categories which are exclusively for domicile of Maharashtra, you can just see these are the seats given. For general category, people who are not from Maharashtra can apply for these 7 seats. And for BBLLB, there are total 11 seats for general category and the other 18 seats are for MH domicile. So you can search for NLU Vacant Seat 2026 and the first result you see, Abhyaas LawPrep NLU Vacancy 2026, you can just directly go here, check vacant seats, and then if you go further down, you'll see MNLU Mumbai, Nagpur and MNLU Sambhajinagar. Here, you just need to go and click apply here. And you'll end up here, that is institutional round registration form. You just need to fill this Google form. It will be your application number of your SSC certificate and the details, whatever they have asked. You just need to fill this and give your domicile certificate of Maharashtra and your passport size photo, whether you're applying for BBLLB, BALLB, your Aadhaar card photo, the percentage, mark statement of LLB and BL if you are applying for LLM, and whether you have appeared for CLAT 2026, yes or no. If yes, then the CLAT application number, the CLAT admit card number, and see, this is mandatory. The CLAT application number is mandatory, which means if you have appeared for CLAT, then only you can register here. Then only you can fill the form. Please note it down. And your CLAT score and your CLAT score card should also be mandatorily filled. And the caste certificate and the other details, if applicable, and the payment link and the proof that you have paid the fee, and later on the declaration. So this is the process to fill your application form, and please note it down, it is 5 p.m. Before 5 p.m. you need to fill this form. So if you know anyone who is waiting for the vacant seat notification, please share it to them. Please like and subscribe.